Welcome to the Health Bulletin. Today we're discussing a new study that highlights a potential hidden risk associated with tattoos. They're linked to lymphoma, a type of cancer that starts in the white blood cells of our immune system. Lymphoma affects the body's immune system, specifically targeting the white blood cells. Recent research suggests that tattoo ink may trigger inflammatory reactions contributing to the development of this cancer. Researchers reviewed data from thousands of adults, including 1,400 individuals diagnosed with lymphoma, aged between 20 and 60 years. They found that those with tattoos were 21% more likely to develop lymphoma, regardless of the size of the tattoo. Tattoo ink often contains carcinogenic chemicals, such as primary aromatic amines, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, and metals. These substances can invoke an immune response, causing the ink to migrate from the skin to the lymph nodes. Deposition of tattoo pigment in lymph nodes has been confirmed, but the long-term health effects remain largely unexplored. The study shows that tattoos trigger low-grade inflammation in the body, which could in turn initiate cancer development. This study used data from the Swedish National Authority registers, providing comprehensive population coverage to investigate the association between tattoo exposure and malignant lymphoma. Future research will delve deeper into whether tattoo ink might be linked to other forms of cancer, shedding more light on these potential health risks. While tattoos are a popular form of self-expression, it's important to be aware of their potential risks. Stay informed and share this video to raise awareness about the hidden dangers of tattoo ink. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health updates.